Good day. Spello Dlamini here with the latest football updates. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has dropped the preliminary squad for the upcoming AFCON tournament in Morocco next month. Here's the list of the Bafana Bafana prelim squad for the upcoming AFCON 2025. Goalkeepers: Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Ronaldo Linya, Darren Johnson, Brandon Peterson. Defenders: Khuliso Mudau, Fezile Taba, Thabang Mathuluti, Thabo Moloisane, Khulumani Ndamane, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Aubrey Modiba, Ime Okon, Samkelo Kabini, Kigen Allen, Vuyo Letlapa, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Malibongwe Khoza, Siyabonga Ngezana, Thapelo Morena, Thabiso Monyane, Dylan Smith, Fawaz Basadini, Bradley Cross. Midfielders: Tebogo Mokoena, Luke Leroux, Bathusi Obas, Talente Mbatha, Siphesihle Mkhize, Siphesihle Maduna, Ndumelelo Maphangule, Siphephelo Sithole, Masindi Nemdejela, Mthetheleli Mthiyane. Forward: it's Ozwin Apollos, Kamohelo Sibelebele, Patrick Tito Maswangai, Ikram Reyners, Mduduzi Shabalala, Mohau Nkotha, Themba Zwane, Lyle Foster, Phuso Dithejane, Bongokuhle Hlongwane, Tshepang Moremi, Mihlali Mayambela, Ashley Cupido, Evidence Mahopa, Siphombule, Keletso Mahalo, Chandra Campbell, Relebohile Mofokeng, and Elias Mokana. Bafana Bafana are in the same group as Egypt, Angola, and Zimbabwe. Who do you think will make Hugo Broos' final squad for AFCON 2025? And do you think Bafana Bafana have all it takes to survive the group and eventually win the AFCON trophy for the first time since 1996? Comment on the comment section below and stay tuned for more.